The American company Buick revealed its new Buick Enclave crossover with an attractive, streamlined design and the highest standards of accuracy, which will make it a strong competitor to SUVs in the same price segment. According to what was published by the Russia Today channel website, the Buick Enclave came with a crossover chassis that is distinguished from the structures of previous Enclave vehicles with a higher streamlining and a more attractive design. And one of the distinguishing features in the design of this car is the unique shape of its headlights and front end. The modified Enclave is offered with 3.6-liter six-cylinder gasoline engines, generating torque equivalent to 314 horsepower, and these engines will work with 9-speed automatic gearboxes, front and rear-wheel drive. The company was keen to increase the size of the car, and its body became 5 meters and 19 centimeters long, and it got a large panoramic roof, and a new steering wheel with developed electrical control systems, as well as 2 rows of comfortable seats covered with the most luxurious types of leather and equipped with heating and cooling systems. Buick has provided the vehicle with the latest multimedia systems that can be controlled via an 8-inch touchscreen, and air safety bags to protect all passengers during accidents, as well as different driving systems suitable for most types of roads, and equipped with a camera, front and rear distance sensors, engine start systems and remote air conditioning systems. The price of these vehicles is supposed to be about $58,000. We have reached the end of the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment on the video to encourage us to provide more.